Lady C, I love watching your videos, but I'm diabetic. Please, can you give me a simple snack for a diabetic patient? I have this video dedicated to you, my darling. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right. I'm going to chop some parsley. Give the parsley a quick rinse. Go ahead and chop. It is totally optional to add parsley, or you can add any green of your choice. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after chopping the parsley, go ahead and set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add oat flour. To that, I'm going to add cinnamon powder and salt. Okay, now aside from making this video for diabetic patient, if you wish to try it but you want to add sweetener, I will advise you add dates or stevia. What you have to do is to cut the date into two, take out the seed. You can blend the date dry, or you can soak in water for hours before blending. All right, once you blend, you are going to use the date to mix the oat flour. All right, or you can add stevia. These are alternative healthy sweetener that you can add, but we are not going to add any of these sweetener that I just mentioned because this video is for a diabetic patient, remember. Okay, now I'm going to mix to combine very well, then moving with eggs. If you don't like eggs, you can take out egg. Okay, now I'm moving with the chopped parsley. I'm going to mix first to monitor the quantity of the liquid before adding water bit by bit till I form a dough. Please don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. I'll also drop the list at the comment section. All right, now we have the dough. Transfer to the work surface. With the same oat flour, I'm going to dust the work surface, okay? Place the dough, moving with my rolling pin. Start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Keba, watching from Holland, Barbara from Zambia, Agnes from Malawi, Jane watching from Nigeria, and Teresa all the way from Florida. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, after rolling into a flat dough, I will advise you roll very flat, okay, so that it will bake so quickly. Go ahead and cut in any shape that you prefer. After cutting with my scraper, I'm going to pull because this can easily break, okay? Now, this is the shape that we have. Like I mentioned earlier, cut in any shape that you prefer. It doesn't matter. Okay, go ahead and transfer in your baking tray. Lay them one after the other. You can place a parchment paper on your baking tray. You can also use air fryer to fry. All right, lay them in a separate form. As you can see, it is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes, and there you have it. Now, this is what I did. I baked for 10 minutes, brought it out, then flip the other side to bake as well, then bake for another 10 minutes, and it is ready. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. You can go ahead and enjoy. Let me know at the comment section if you would want us to try more healthy snacks. You can as well try this recipe for yourself, even if you are not diabetic. If you choose to add sweetener, you can add either stevia or date. Thanks for watching. Bye.